Hello and welcome to 101 Ideas for Minecraft Learners. In this episode I'm going to show you how to create a void. Generate a new world but without any land or without any water, without anything at all in fact. And why is this useful? Why would I want to do that? Well, there are certain things you can do with a void that you can't do anywhere else. Sometimes you might want to make a special map. Sometimes you might want to create a scene that you want it in maybe open space, maybe in space itself. So have starfighters and all sorts of other bits and pieces going on there as well. So we're going to make a void and I'm going to show you how to do it, and then I'm going to open up MC Edit and we're going to just put some things into there as well. So let's just get started. So I'm going to create a new world and I'm going to call it void, and I'm going to make it creative just to start with, and I'm going to go to more world options down here. Click. Now we want world type to be super flat and I'm going to customize it. I'm going to go to presets and I just want the classic flat. Okay, so I'm going to click that and I'm going to just go up into this tab here and I'm going to delete all this stuff and put 0. Use preset. And what it's done is it's created one top layer of air. that's all this super flat world is going to be. It's going to just be one top layer of air, and then we're going to press done. Structures must be off, bonus chest off, allow cheats on, and create world. Okay, and I'm falling straight away. Oh, I died. Respawn. Okay, fly. There we go. So I'm flying up. Got to fly up. Double tap the space bar to fly up. Now, I'm going to press F3, and that'll give me some information, my debug thing here. So if I look down, I can see my X, my Y position, and my Z position there over on the left-hand side. I'm just going to fly up a little bit more. I'm going to get to about 64, which is generally where kind of water kind of arrives in world. So that's kind of, it's a nice mid place. While I'm here at this mid place, because I had cheats on and stuff like that, I can do this. I can do my / and I'm going to just set a block. I'm going to create a block just above me. So I'm going to write set block, tilde, and we're going to say Minecraft, and this is the new way of doing it. Little block there, little colon, and we'll put stone. Okay, block has been placed. There we go. So now I've created one little block, and now I can actually build on top of that. So unless so if you don't, it's like, where do I build? How do I do it? Well, this is the way you do it. You just set your block, and there we go. I've got a little platform, and ta-da! And now I can relax. So this is the void. There's nothing in it. Sun is over there, and it's just great. Let's press F3 again, so get rid of all that kind of stuff. So there you go, just a lovely, delicious, empty void. Nothing here at all. Now, let's save and quit to title. Now I'm going to open up MC Edit. Okay, so now we've got our void, and what we're going to fill it with. Well, what any good void deserves is to be filled with spaceships and other things like that. So let's load our world. There it is, void. Let's load that. And here it is. Absolutely nothing with that block. Oh, there's our blocks. So again, we're using MC Edit. I was going to say World Painter then. We're using MC Edit to put some content in here. And there's the little blocks that I've just created in game. My little platform. And I'm going to import something. I'm going to import a schematic that I downloaded earlier on today from Adrian Brightmore. I've got 2 of them that I'm looking for. Let's open that. Well, looks nice. So it is the Millennium Falcon. There it is, right at the bottom. So let's nudge it up. Let's make it fly. So by pressing nudge, I can press Q, and I can lift that spaceship up into the air. And just nudge it across as well. Yeah, it probably could come up a little bit more as well. just above that platform. Excellent. So we can have a look inside this as well, this great ship. It's quite nice and empty, but it's fully working, it's fully playable. Looks brilliant. So I can't wait to try that out. Look at the diamond at the back, fantastic. Alright, okay. So we've got that, and oh my god, look at it. Looks brilliant. And so let's do that. Now let's hit import something. So to finish our import off, we press import. There it all is. I'll just save it as well. That just lights it all. And make sure it's fully saved. And then we'll import something else. Another Adrian Brightmore masterpiece. There it is. Secret Deathstar Plans 1. We'll open that. That is big. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's zip up. That is big. And let's just put that, let's nudge that across a bit. Okay, so I've nudged it into position. I've not had it made it too far away from the Millennium Falcon, because obviously if it's too far then we won't be able to actually see it. And then what I'm going to do is have a look at it in game. Now I'm back. I've got them both together, the Millennium Falcon and the Deathstar. But it's very much daytime, so let's make it night and make it permanently night as well. So we're going to set time, set night, which is quite nice, yep. I wait until it gets to even more night time, and then I'm going to stop time altogether. And we wait until that just the right moment, so it looks really good. I'm going to write game rule, and I'm going to tab night cycle, and then false written after it, and then as soon as I do this, at that moment it will kind of pause that day-night cycle. Okay, so I just want it to be a little bit darker at the top. I just want it to look really good. And we'll do there. Okay, so there we go. So a little bit of starry night, but that kind of awesome orange in the background. And again, we're on top of the Millennium Falcon. There's the Deathstar ahead. And you know, there's our lovely map. And so, you know, you can start in the Deathstar, in the Millennium Falcon, and make your way towards the Deathstar to have your epic adventure. So I hope you found that helpful and exciting. I mean, obviously Star Wars things you can make, but I'm sure there's lots of other kind of things that you can make with a void. So voids are quite useful for making maps and making different kind of player experiences as well.